In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add a recovery phone number to your Gmail account. You can simply add a recovery number to your Google account in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Gmail. On this page, tap on these three lines right here. Then scroll down onto the Settings option. Tap on this first option, then select your Info, Privacy, and Security. Slide to the option of Security right here. You will then scroll down into the section of how you sign in to Google. Right here select Recovery Phone. Then tap on Add Recovery Phone Number. Enter any number you would like to use as a recovery to your Google account. Press Next and a code will be sent to that exact number for confirmation. After verification, your number will get added to your Gmail account successfully. That's how easy it is to add a recovery phone number on your Gmail account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.